Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's on a lot of people's minds, which is both fascinating and controversial: how to read text messages from another phone remotely. Whether you're a concerned parent, an employer, or just curious, this video will explain everything you need to know. But remember, use this information responsibly and ethically. We'll be focusing on a well-known app called mSpy, and we'll also discuss some alternative tools. So let's get started. First up is mSpy. It is a powerful monitoring app designed to help you track someone's text messages without needing direct access to their phone. It's user-friendly and offers a range of features that make it one of the best tools for this purpose. That way, you won't miss any of their fresh uploads. Here's how you can use mSpy to read text messages remotely. Step 1. Sign up for an account. First, scan the QR code below, or visit www.mspy.com and create an account. Then choose a subscription plan that suits your needs. Step 2. Install the app. After signing up, follow the on-screen instructions to download mSpy app on the target phone. Step 3. Configure the app. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to configure mSpy on the target device. Step 4. Check dashboard. Wait for the app to synchronize for 1 hour. Then you can access the mSpy dashboard on your computer or phone. Step 5. Start monitoring. From there, you can select the SMS messages tab to read text messages without access to the target phone. And that's it. With mSpy, you can easily monitor text messages and a lot more. Just remember, using such apps comes with ethical responsibilities and potential legal considerations, so ensure you're using it responsibly. Check the link in the description box to visit www.mspy.com. If you find this video helpful, please like it. Top alternative tools to monitor text messages. But wait, there are also alternative tools that can help you achieve similar results. Check out uMobix and FlexiSPY, each offering unique features and capabilities to suit your text message tracking needs. First up, we have uMobix. This innovative software is a game changer in the world of remote phone monitoring. With uMobix, you can access the target device's text messages with just a few clicks. Its intuitive interface makes spying on someone's texts a breeze. Features: remote text access, read SMS, WhatsApp, Messenger, and more. Live call tracking, monitor and record calls in real time. Real-time location, and track the target's location accurately. Device compatibility, works on both Android and iOS devices. Scan the QR code below, or check the link in the description box to visit www.umobix.com. Last but not least, we have FlexiSPY. This powerhouse software is a must-have for anyone looking to monitor another phone remotely. In addition to reading text messages, FlexiSPY offers a wide range of features such as call recording, social media monitoring, and much more. With FlexiSPY, the possibilities are endless. Features: ambient recording, record surroundings remotely, remote SMS sending, send text from the target phone, GPS location tracking, monitor precise locations. Scan the QR code below, or check the link in the description box to visit www.flexispy.com. And there you have it. With tools like mSpy, uMobix, and FlexiSPY, you can monitor text messages remotely. Whether you're a parent, an employer, or just curious, these apps provide comprehensive monitoring solutions. Remember, these tools should be used responsibly and ethically. Always respect privacy and ensure you have the legal right to monitor the device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like. Thanks for watching.